In today's video, I will explain how affiliate marketing works for the beginners out there and how you can make more money faster even if you have zero previous experience. Hi everybody, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I've been doing it for years. It is the best way I know for everyday people to make more money. If you have never done affiliate marketing before, or if you have been at it for a while but have not had the success you were hoping for, this video is for you. And stick with me until the end. I will share my #1 recommended affiliate marketing opportunity where you can start making money later today. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. So, just what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, the simple explanation is that affiliate marketing is a business model where you sell another person's product or service and get paid. Affiliate marketing is a huge industry. You may be surprised at how many affiliate opportunities there are. You can find affiliate offers for almost everything these days. You may have purchased something through an affiliate offer already and may not have even realized it. Many people are familiar with affiliate programs like Amazon or Walmart. You sign up with them to be an affiliate and boom, you are in business. You can start selling their products and get paid. They are big name companies. They sell a huge variety of products. My problem with these kind of affiliate offers, though, is that they typically pay their affiliates very small one-time commissions of only a few percent. And because of that, you have to sell a lot of stuff every single day to make a substantial income. And beginners find that it takes a long time to develop the marketing to do that. And because of that, too many people never make money this way. Another type of affiliate marketing opportunity is what we call high-ticket affiliate programs. And these sell products or services that can cost anywhere from $100 or $200 to as much as $1,000. The commissions here can be big, but most beginner affiliate marketers will take a long time to develop the marketing skills they need. Also be aware that they can be very expensive to get started too. I build and recommend an affiliate marketing opportunity that's kind of in between these two examples. And it is my #1 recommended income stream for beginner affiliate marketers and veterans too, to make more money faster and easier. We market 4 high-demand digital products. I love digital products because the customer can get immediate access to them. There is nothing to deliver. This affiliate program is super affordable to start. Remember, you do this to make money, not spend money. And I emphasize that because I've talked to so many people over the years who've actually spent more money than they have made. This business takes minimal time. We teach people how to do this in about 30 minutes per day at your own schedule. And with our online system, you can do it from anywhere you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. This marketing system we give you is simple to use and easy to customize. And you won't need any other marketing tools, systems, or training programs like you do in so many other businesses. You will have everything you need. This marketing system is really key. See, many people try to sell an affiliate offer directly from an ad, and that's really tough. It takes a huge number of exposures to make a lot of sales that way. The old rule of thumb is that on average, it takes 7 exposures to make a sale. Well, if you're trying to sell direct, that's only 1 exposure. With our system, we give you the tools to add prospects to an email list and follow up with them on an ongoing basis on autopilot, dramatically increasing the number of sales you can make. This affiliate offer pays out big 80% commissions, 80%, and has recurring income too. This recurring or passive income is money that can come in month after month for the sales you make each day. In our business, just 1 sale can be worth $120 per month. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And most importantly, you'll benefit from what I've found to be the very best training in the home business and affiliate marketing industry. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom. We have an excellent training website with dozens of how-to videos, and we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. On top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach, and I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Success in affiliate marketing is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. To learn more about affiliate marketing and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.